Deep pink. Let's draw a rocket. First, draw its body with a round window. Deep pink. Black. Awesome! Now draw a fin for your rocket. One more. And one more. Good job! Now draw a star next to your rocket. Look! Your rocket is flying to the stars.